We are back at the Cliptagon. We heard some good news. We might be seeing you again soon. We can only hope. So anyway, we are here. We're back with our next Hairstylist Club box. Excited to see what's in this one. So here we go. Let's open it up. All right. Here's our little card saying what's on it. And let's go. So, ooh, look at that. It's a Yeti koozie. Our little hairstylist hustler over here. And then, oh, another little box. I love these little boxes. They are wonderful. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear the living hell out of this. Absolutely every day. Oh, I love that. All right, and then we have combs. Can never have enough combs. Oh, look at that. It's a nice little arrangement of combs we got there. No one will be stealing these. Okay. A pink satin pillowcase. Now, if you don't know about satin pillowcases, they're excellent to sleep on. They don't mess up your hair. So you can sleep on it with perfectly straight hair, it'll stay straight. And then, ooh, a drape, a big purple drape. And it's got the window in it. Peekaboo! Well guys, we hope to see you again soon. We miss you as much as you miss us, and if you did get a quarantine cut, please come see us as soon as we reopen. Love you!